This tutorial will go over how to create a new customized course homepage in Canvas. So in order to start creating an own customized homepage, I'm going to create a front page for my course. So I'm already in the course. I'm going to go to my left-hand column to Pages. And once I'm here, I'm going to create a new page. So I'm going to title this Start Here. And this is where you can put your beginning introduction information for your course. If you want to put information about the instructor and other items like that. So once I've put everything in here that's needed, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to save and publish. So now I have my new page that has been created that has all of the information. So once I'm here, I can go back to Pages and you'll see now it's listed and it's saying green because it's published. And I'm going to go to the three-dot icon, click on this, and scroll down to use as a front page. So now this page should be the front page of the course when students log in. Once I've created my new front page, I can go back to home, and then in the right hand column you see where it says choose home page. I'm going to click that, and what I'm going to do is select my page, my page's front page. So now I can save. And as you can see, I have the title. This is just a test course for EEG fundamentals, and then the entry that I put for the information for the front page is listed below. Of course, you can put more information here. You can add links. You also can add images if needed. I'm going to go to the student view section just to see what my students are seeing, which is almost the same thing. They're logging into the class and they immediately will go to my Start Here page.